Hi, everyone. This is Sue Parks, the CEO of Orange County United Way, and I'm here today with our weekly pandemic relief effort update. Well, so far, because of your generosity, we've been able to help 5,391 households in Orange County with $500 emergency debit cards. So thank you, Orange County. And let me share a story from our friends at Illumination Foundation, and this is about a single mom named CG. She's a loving single mom with 2 children. She's a hardworking certified nursing assistant for a healthcare center. CG recently learned she has stage 1 uterine cancer. In addition, she recently had to have her gallbladder removed. So when the COVID pandemic hit, it really hit hard. It was just another thing in CJ's life that she had to deal with. And one of the things she had to conquer was homeschooling. So she had to cut back her hours at work so she could take care of her children, and thus her income dropped. She is so thankful for the $500 assistance that helped her get through this period of time. And I just thought you should know that despite dealing with all of these issues, CG is determined to keep working, helping her children, and moving forward. And again, thank you for all those that helped her. So that's a story of why we're doing the work we're doing. But I wanted to talk in a bigger perspective of something that we all can do to help more in Orange County. And that is simply by every one of us, when we're out and we can't socially distance, to wear our masks. We had Dr. Clayton Chow speak to some of our major donors last week. And one of the things he emphasized was the wearing of the mask, that how it could help open up our economy, which is something we need to happen so more people can get back to work. Let's just take our friends at Disney and Disneyland. They announced a couple of weeks ago 28,000 layoffs between the parks in Florida and the parks here. And you think about the ripple effect, all the hotels and restaurants and everyone impacted by such a closure. They're such an important part of our economy. And one thing every one of us can do is to help protect everyone else by wearing a mask. I wear a mask to protect you. You wear a mask to protect me. If we all did it, we could get back to work so much more quickly. So again, my goal is to make sure everybody knows mass equals economy. So that brings us to just saying that we are all in this together and nothing is impossible. So I'm going to read you a Dina Carr quote of the day, and it's from one of my favorite actresses ever, Audrey Hepburn. Nothing is impossible. The word itself says, I'm possible. So Orange County, nothing is impossible. If every one of us says, I'm possible, and every one of us says, I'm possible because I wear a mask. Thank you, Orange County.